Hola, clase. Welcome to part 2 of our first lesson, our first online lesson. As I was saying when my 15 minutes ran out, was that you have this vocabulary list that has all the most important words that we need to learn to be as competent as possible in a medical setting. I also created a list for the last 5 chapters, so I will share that with you a little later on in the semester. If you'd liked it now, just let me know. If you've already got all 5 chapters already memorized. All right. And for next week, we're going to get to chapter 2, and that has all the different, many different body parts that you need to memorize. So I made up a little silly song that goes to 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians. And when you sing the song, please memorize the song. It'll help you remember all these important body parts. When you sing the song, you're supposed to point to each part of the body that the song lists. Normally I do this in class because it makes everybody get just as embarrassed as I am. So I will sing it for you real quick so you can hear what it's supposed to sound like. If only I had a good voice, sorry about that. And then please try to memorize it and be able to sing it together with us in Zoom class, which is going to suck because it's very hard to sing together with different connections, but we will give it a try. So here's how it goes. Ojo, oreja, nariz y mejilla, ojo, oreja, boca y barbilla, cejas y pestañas hacen la cara que hay en la cara de usted. Brazos, codos, manos y deditos, pecho, panza y fondillo, piernas, rodillas y tobillos. Eso es el cuerpo en español. So pretty bad, huh? All right. Now, for the people who maybe would like a little bit of review, if you feel like the book is covering some grammar points that you would like to review, I have set aside some slides for you. So if you don't feel like you need it, you don't need to listen to the rest. However, I'm snuck in a little assignment here. So to be able to get credit for the homework assignment, the secret homework assignment of the video, please tell me when you're prompted what your favorite, most relevant vocabulary words were from lesson 1. Your top 3 vocabulary words that you were really glad that you learned in this class. That's it. Super fácil. All right. If you don't need a review, you can skip the rest of the video. The first area that the book covers is telling time. If you need a review of that, it's on page 17 and it shows you how to do that. If you need a review of the verb ser, you can find that on page 22. The uses of ser follow on the same pages. There's them, and then on the next page, you'll see the rest of the uses of ser. On page 27, they review the definite articles. In case you've forgotten those, they're el, la, los, and las, and you can go over the different meanings of those and when to use them. The indefinite article is the next thing. It's on that same page, and that's un, unos, una, unas. So if you need help with those things, please consult those pages. And that is all for today. That's our full lesson. Felicidades. Thank you for listening to our 2 videos on lesson 1. Adiós, clase. Nos vemos pronto.